And in organization moment, I showed the video, then my pupils discussed about this video. After that, I assessed my students with words excellent, good, and etc. Stand up, please. Good morning, children.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good, thank you. Sit down, please. Now we are going to watch a video. Then you have to find today's our theme. Is it clear for you?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, let's watch the video.
Hobbies vocabulary by Elf Learning. Baking, ballet, playing baseball.
Okay, that's enough. Yes, so what is today's our theme?
Hobbies.
Good, very nice. Now children, I am going to divide into 3 groups. You have to take one card from this paper and you have to see the words in this card. If you choose dancing, you have to change your places to dancing room. If you choose painting, you have to change your places to painting. If you choose football, you have to change your places. Is it clear for you?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, let's take cards. Please take one. Quickly. Okay, you choose your cards, and if you have seen these words, please stand up and change your places. We changed our places. Now I have some questions and you have to answer. Yes? The first question, what is a hobby? Who wants to answer? Yes, Alia, please.
Hobby is your favorite, busy is your free time.
Yes, good, very nice. Sit down. The last question, what is your favorite hobby? Who wants to answer? What is your favorite hobby? Yes, Amina?
My favorite hobby basketball because it's fun.
Good, thank you. Sit down, please. The third question, what hobbies do you know? Who wants to answer? Yes, Anelia.
I know this kind of hobbies. There are hockey, dancing, ice skating, basketball, play tennis, gardening.
Yes, good, very nice. Sit down, please. The next question. What hobbies, in your opinion, are the most interesting? Who wants to answer? Yes, Takmina, please.
In my opinion, the most interesting hobby is painting
Why?
because it's fun and relaxing.
Okay, good, very nice. Sit down, please. Okay, the last question. Why is hobby influential in our life? Who wants to answer? Yes, Silvia, please.
In my life, hobby important because I spend time every day.
Yes, good, very nice. Sit down, please. Okay, thank you for your answers. You were so very active. Now, today's our lesson aim, learning objectives. First, speaking. Speaking in these learning objectives, ask complex questions to get information about our theme, and the last one is content. Here we can develop intercultural awareness, and the last one is writing. Here you spell most high frequency vocabulary accurately. Now we are going to learn new vocabulary which connected with our today's theme. So first picture, how do you think? Which words? Yes, please, Akzhan.
First picture is windsurfing.
Yes, good, very nice. Take your smile. The next, second picture, how do you think? Yes, Mirviet?
Second picture, snowboarding.
Snowboarding, good. Sit down, please. The third picture, how do you think? Yes, Ahmed?
The third picture, hand cleaning.
Yes, good, very nice. Take a smile, please. In the middle of this lesson, we did the task And in this task I used the method matching. It means that we used new vocabulary. We have to match pictures with new vocabulary words. The last picture, it means the fifth one. Yes, Juliana?
The fifth one is kayaking.
Kayaking, good. Take a smile. The last one. Wants to answer? Yes, please.
Sixth one, bungee jumping.
Yes, good. Very nice. Take a smile. Okay, now repeat after me. Hand gliding.
Hand gliding.
Bungee jumping.
Bungee jumping.
Kayaking.
Kayaking.
Rock climbing.
Rock climbing.
Windsurfing.
Windsurfing.
Snowboarding.
Snowboarding.
Good, very nice, excellent. After understanding the new vocabulary, they have to make sentences using like and don't like. Then I'll give them smiles. After first task, my students understand the new vocabulary and they can make sentences using like and don't like. So girls and boys, we understand new vocabulary and now we are going to make sentences using our new vocabulary. Is it clear for you? And here you have to use adjectives. Adjectives, then you have to make sentences. Clear? Is it clear for you?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, Amina, please.
I like dancing because fun. I don't like kayaking because boring.
Yes, because it's boring. Thank you, sit down. Next, yes, Ziria.
I like cooking because it is fun. I don't like kayaking and rock climbing because very dangerous.
Amazing, good. Sit down. Next, Shahmir, please.
I like snowboard because it is thrilling. I don't like bungee jumping because it is dangerous.
Yes, good. Sit down, please.
I like dancing because it's very interesting. I don't like kayaking because it's boring.
Good. Sit down, please. Next, Miriam, what about you?
I like singing because it is amazing. I don't like kayaking. It is because it is dangerous.
Yes, good. Sit down, please. So, girls and boys, we understand the meaning of these words and we can use the structure like and don't like, and also we can use some adjectives. In the middle of this lesson, my students read a text. It means I used in this task jigsaw reading. I divided it into two groups and give them the texts at 6 pages. Now we are going to read a text, jigsaw reading. I'm going to divide you into two groups. Please, Amina and Janelle sit to the first group and the others to the second group. So please open at page number 6 and look at the text. Okay, look at the book. So the first text about paint was for you and the second text, super gaming, for you. Let's read. I'll give you 3 minutes. Okay, girls and boys, have you read all this text?
Yes.
Okay, do you understand it?
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm going to give you a poster and you have to draw what you understand, of course, from this text. And you have to explain to another group what you understand. Clear for you?
Yes.
Okay, take your poster. After reading the text, I give them posters to this group, to the first group, to the second group, and they have to draw their text, what they understand. It means then they have to explain it. They have to demonstrate their posters. The last group, take your poster. Your text was about super gaming, yes?
Yes.
And take your markers. So start draw. picture. Okay, continue please your work. Have you finished?
Yes.
Girls? Yes. Okay, let's explain your text to another group. Okay? First group, are you ready? Are you ready? Come to them.
Our text is passwords. In this game, someone is chasing somebody. He's part of a team and they try to beat members. Player tag rollers. Just Stanford is a punchable.
Games can last from 2 hours to 2 days. Paintballing is the best hobby of all.
Okay, good. Very nice. Yeah. So, excellent, girls. Best job. Sit down, please. So, another group. Are you ready? Yes. Okay, come.
Our text is super gaming.
In this game, many teens play video games to relax in their free time.
Others computer video games are over the world in tournaments.
Call of Duty. Families support him and are often travel.
Okay.
Hundreds of followers on YouTube.
Good. Very nice job. Yes. Thank you. Sit down, please. So, girls and boys, if you have understand the meaning of this text, let's do true/false sentences. So, these questions for the second group about paintballs. Jack plays games of paintball during the week. How do you think? Is it true or false?
Yes.
True. True. Why true, Shahmir?
Jack plays games of paintball during the week. True.
Why true?
Because Jack plays games of paintball in the weekend.
Yes, every weekend. Good. Sit down.
Yes.
Yes, Nirvet, please.
Jack's team often wins the games. Doesn't say.
That's the same. Yes, you're right. Thank you. Sit down, please.
teacher.
Yes, Akzhan, please.
A game of paintball can take a long time. The game of paintball can take a long 2 days.
Yes, it's true. The game of baseball lasted from 2 hours and 2 days. Good. Thank you. Sit down, please. Yes, Helena, please.
Paintball is an expensive hobby. False.
Why false?
Because paintballing is the best hobby.
Yes, you're right. Excellent. So, girls and boys, I'll give you a smile. So, who answered to these questions? So, the first question was Shahmir and Akzhan, Nirvet, also Yedana. Good. Thank you. So, girls and boys, second group was answered to these questions, and these questions for you. Alex plays against gamers from other countries. Who wants to answer? Is it true? False? Yes, Ganesh?
True, because it's a video game.
Yes, because it's video game. Take your smile. The next question. Yes, please, Aidana.
Alex is a popular game on a website. False, because he has hundreds of followers on YouTube.
Good, excellent. Take your smile. Okay, girls and boys, we did true-false sentences. We read the text. Now I have a task which connected with our text. First, third group, take your seat, please. Now, girls and boys, open your copybooks and write down it on your copybook. Then, if you have finished first, you have to come to the blackboard and write it. Is it clear for you? Yes. Let's write. After demonstrating posters, they have to do true-false sentences, and then they have to make sentences in a correct way. In the next task, they have to use words from the texts and put it in right form. Have you finished?
Yes.
Please read.
Don't sit too close to the screen. It's not good for you. It's
Okay, good. Come here, please. Good, excellent. Take a smile. The end, my students understand the text. They can find true-false sentences, and they can make sentences in a correct way. So, girls and boys, we read this text and we understand the meaning of this text. Also, we did this task, true-false sentences, yes, and we did this task and we used new words from our text. So now I'm going to conclude our lesson with activity mingling. In this activity, you have to take a sheet of paper and put it on your chest. Then ask your partner to describe it. Then you have to find what word is it. Is it clear for you? Yes. Now stand up, please. At the end of my lesson, I conclude it with activity mingling. In this activity, they have to describe words which we have learned today. It helps to my students to develop their vocabulary words. Now, girls, take a sheet of paper. You know that it's connected with our theme and new vocabulary, yeah? Sheet of papers, yeah? Okay, girls, boys, take sheet of paper.
This is for B, is dangerous. This is you can fly. Oh, this is handwriting.
Yes.
It is synonym interesting and thrilling.
It is exciting.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, stop. Girls and boys, stop. Take your seat, please. I hope that you understand our vocabularies here, our new words, and now you have to give feedback. What you understand from today's lesson. Then we give it feedback. I showed the picture from 0 to 100% age, and they have to choose one of them. If they have understand all of today's our theme, they have to choose from 80 to 100%. If they have quite understand, they have to choose from 50 to 80%. If they don't understand, they have to choose from 0 to 30% age. So now, look at the word. From 0 and to 30%, it's low. And from 30 and 50%, it's middle. And from 50 and 80%, it's quite high, maybe. And if you understand all this today's lesson theme, you have to choose from 80 and 100% age. Is it clear for you? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, let's choose, yeah? Let's give feedback. So, Amelia?
I've learned from 80 to 100.
Yes. It means that you understand all the text, all this theme, yeah?
Yes.
Yes, good for you. Next. Yes, please.
I have learned from 50 to 80.
Yes, good. It means that you have learned high, yeah?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, sit down. And from third row, yeah, Daniel?
I have learned 80 to 100.
Okay, good. Sit down, please. In every stage, I assessed my learners with smiles, with colorful smiles. So, girls and boys, thank you for your feedback. Now, let's count our smiles. First row. 16?
Yes.
Good, very nice. Another group, how many?
17.
Good, excellent. So, how many smiles do you have?
14.
14, excellent, very nice. Girls and boys, I'll give you good, excellent, and very nice marks. Yeah? And the last lesson, you have to write hobby, about hobby topic. Yeah? It's your homework task. Okay, thank you for your attention. Goodbye. See you soon.